So this is my 5th video for today. I had to make this video. Why? Because I've been making it every week and I want to continue the trend. So this will be my last video of the day unless something comes up and I'll make a 6th video for the day. But no, this is probably going to be my last video. But before I talk about my top 5 MJ stocks and go over the gold stocks that we talked about last week, I just want to bring up electromag. I think electromag's production PR is going to be hitting next week. I could be wrong. I just want to bring to this guy's stock tweets picture. He says that they've been counting down the, like, if you go to Twitter, right? If you go to Snapchat, you can find this. If you follow them on Instagram, my apologies. You can find this on the thing, and they've been showing this on Twitter, like one every day. And my assumption is next week they are going to be showing off the last one, and then after that they're going to announce the production, PR, and hopefully that pops the stock. And at that point, you can be like, okay, here's the pump. Now you can determine if you want to sell, and no longer. I know there are people who are bag holding this company. Then you have a choice that say, I don't believe in this company's thing. I think this is only a pump and dump, and you can sell out. Not financial advice, and take your profit and maybe gamble that the stock price goes back down and buy back in. That's your choice. You can do what you want. At the end of the day, it's your money. But I'm holding long term because I believe in the product, and I hope that it's not a pump and dump. I hope it's a pump and it doesn't dump. Not as bad as going back down to $2.60. I hope so, but I'm holding. I think there might be a little pump from this, but I don't know if the dump will come after. It might, so just letting you guys know. Anyways, let's go off with the 5 gold stocks. So ASM, $1.16. What happened? It got pumped all the way up to $1.31. Pulled back the end of the day. It's the same thing with Barracks. Barracks got pumped up and it pulled back. All gold stocks trade the same. It's like some big money manager basically has robots and they all trade the golds the same. So it doesn't matter. If Barracks go up, they go up. If Barracks go down, they go down. So it's just penny stocks. Gold doesn't matter at the end of the day. But we'll see what the rest of them. GAU, Galleon Gold, was my second one. I believe it was $1.66 when I announced it. It's $1.63 if we look for 5-day chart. I guess, yeah, it did get pumped up a little bit, and then it pulled back to $1.56, got pumped, pulled back to $1.63. So, yeah, I don't know, like, will it keep going down? I think it's all dependent on, really, at the end of the day, Barracks. If Barracks go down significantly, all these other gold stocks can go. Third one was EXK. EXK, $1.65. But what happened? It got pumped all the way up to $4. And then it pulled back. So, yeah. I don't know. Will it continue to go up? I don't know. Will it go down? I don't know. But, they all kind of trade the same, in my opinion. Next one is NGD. NGD is $1.55 when I talked about it. It's $1.52 right now. It got pumped up and then it pulled back. So could this be a buying opportunity? Maybe. Don't know for sure. Fifth one, IGA, IM Gold, $4.22 when I announced it. It, like, same thing, it got pumped and it got dumped. So, yeah. So, okay, now on to my top 5 MJ stocks. I hope I don't get, demonetized for this or less of an advertisement because I'm talking about MJ stocks. MJ is a big industry, but YouTube doesn't really like it when people talk about MJ stocks, and monetization doesn't work as well when I talk about MJ stocks. But there's a lot of people who are interested in MJ stocks, and this is my top 5 penny MJ stocks I will be talking about. First one I will talk about is Liberal Health Science. I like this company. Has a PE ratio of 6.05, a market cap of 177. It got pumped and it got dumped. I think that if it ever goes back to around 40 cents, I think that's a buying opportunity. Anywhere in the low 40s is a buying opportunity. 50 is a fair price. If you believe this in the long term, and you believe that when Florida becomes legal, the liberal health side will skyrocket, it's an opportunity right now. If we look at it from a charting perspective, it used to be at 72 cents. If we look at it from a long-term charting perspective, this used to be over $1. Almost $2 in January 2018. So yeah. And just recently, Liberal Health Science came out with some, like every week they come out with the Florida numbers, and this week number was pretty good. They were second in flower sales again. So yeah, the company's business, like just watching it week by week, I can see that some weeks, yeah, they had a week where it was really bad, but generally the weeks keep getting stronger and stronger and stronger. It's like a compound strong. There was one week that was kind of bad, but besides that one week, the rest of the weeks, like the rest of the time this company's been in business, the numbers have been higher and higher and higher, and the company's already generating $5 million of profit. So I think that, the next quarter could be somewhere in the 10 million range of profit. So if the company can generate $40 million of profit per year, that is really good for a company that is worth $173 million, in my opinion. So yeah, just my opinion though. And then Oxley is another one. This one hasn't have its earnings yet. But the thing is, if we look from a charting perspective, this stock is basically at its all-time low right now at 21 cents. And just from past history, it can really rapidly climb very fast. Like it went from 23 cents to like 40 cents in like a couple weeks. Could that happen again? Earnings could come around, and if they can flip a profit, this stock's gonna skyrocket to the moon. They are very diluted, but the market cap is $131 million. And another reason why I like this company is, maybe the company's suffering, I don't know, but the fact that it's at its 52-week low, I'm very bullish. And yes, I do have a position in this company, and if this thing keeps dropping, I will buy a little bit more. I don't have a big position, I have a small position, but I will keep adding to my position because I believe that this company will be around in the future, and the lower the price goes, the more of an opportunity it becomes, and it could bounce easily. And it just needs to bounce a little bit, and you can make a lot of money. So if it goes up like 5 cents, you can make a ton of money off this company, like a 20% profit, simply because it's trading at 21 cents. Another reason why I like this company is because it has a major partnership deal with Imperial Brands. Imperial Brands invested $123 million way of debenture converted into Oxley. Imperial Brands acquired 19.9% ownership of Oxley as a result of the transaction. And what is Oxley worth right now? $131 million. They put in $123 million of cash. Obviously, I think Oxley as a market cap company is undervalued, but maybe because of poor execution from management, that's why the stock has not been rewarded by the market. It just creates an opportunity. They could come out with an earnings report, and the direction of the stock could easily change to the positive side. Could it go down lower? Absolutely. I hope this thing goes down to 10 cents. I would buy a lot more shares if this thing goes down to 10 cents because I would think it is severely undervalued at 10 cents. But that's just my opinion. And then third stock would be Canopy Rivers. This is not quite at its 52-week low. Its 52-week low is 56 cents. Do I really have to say too much about Canopy Rivers? It's Canopy Rivers. It's an arm of Canopy. Could it go down lower? Sure, it could. But it can also bounce to any day. So I don't have a position in this one. I only have a position in Liberal Size and Oxy. Don't have a position in this one. But, you know, if you are bullish on Canopy Rivers, this could be an option. Fourth stock would be Slang Worldwide Incorporation. Why did I pick this stock? It's because it's at its 52-week low. That's all, really. Could bounce any day. If it bounced back to 20 cents, you could make a lot of money. You can make almost like 30 or 40% profit easily if this thing bounces. Will it continue to keep going down? Sure. Market cap, 40 million. Bruce Linton is, you know, on this company, and this company's just been suffering lately. So Bruce Linton is not really benefiting this company at all. And then fifth and last stock I pick is Fire and Flower. Why Fire and Flower? Because they have a partnership with Coulthard. And, you know, just because they have a partnership with Coulthard doesn't mean squat. If the company doesn't perform, the stock market will punish this stock. So, partnership, whatever. It doesn't matter. So, I'm just saying, I'm bringing this up because they have a partnership with Fire and Flower. I am not that bullish on Fire and Flower. I just bring it up because, you know, it could be a potential play. But it also could go down further. It is a penny stock. Just be aware of that when you're investing or buying or swing trading or whatever you want to do. But these are my 5 picks. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.